Okay, so now finally we have solved everything and we came up with this equation. So the main point now was to solve for omega and phi. Right. And I talk about something called the dot product method. So I'm going to explain to you how to do the dot product method for this question. And for the subsequent tutorial problems 2, 3 and 4, I will just solve the problem until this stage and then you just apply the dot product yourself. So this is the only time where I'm going to explain to you dot product. Okay, so for example in this question, we want to find omega. Okay, so what we want to do is that we want to eliminate V. Right? So how do we eliminate VB? Well, if you want to eliminate VB, VB is one we want to cancel, I want to cross out this thing. Okay? The first thing to do is to find an angle at which when it minus negative 70, it will form 90 degrees. Meaning to say, you want to find an angle theta, which when we minus negative 70, you will get 90 degrees. Okay? So what is this theta? In this case, theta is obviously 20 degrees. Yes, very good. Right. Settled. So the next thing to do was to dot product left side with 20 degrees and dot product right side with 20 degrees. In this case, if I were to dot product 20 degrees with 900, I will get this 900 cos 20 minus 0. Right? Dot product formula. The right side, this part, will be negative 300 omega cos dot product 20 degrees, so is 20 minus 60. If today you were to write 60 minus 20, it's fine, because cos negative theta is equal to cos theta. So that the whole thing comes down to here, plus VB cos negative 70 minus 20. Okay, let's make this easier. Okay, let's say it's 20 minus 70. So 20 degrees minus negative 70. And again, it doesn't matter if you use negative 70 minus 20 or 20 minus negative 70. Because cos theta is equal to cos negative theta, as I said before. So this one will give you 20, right? 20 minus 0 is 20. 20 minus 60 is negative 40. And 20 minus negative 70 gives you 90. And thus cos 90 is 0. So this whole thing cancels out. You're left with this equation. Right? And look at this equation. Only has one unknown. So we can solve this with omega. And the BB can be solved equally by dotting another theta, which when minus with 60, you get 90 degrees. Meaning to say, if you want to find VB in this case, you want to cancel out omega, you just need to dot product with, let's just say, you need to dot product with 150 degrees. Why do we need to dot product with 150 degrees to cancel out this one? Because 150 minus 60 is 90 degrees and cos 90 is 0. So this is the dot product method. If you have any confusion about it, please come and consult me in the next, what is it called, PTP section.